What's up, guys? We are back with another auction update, man. Today we actually got something special on the auction block. We actually have Tall Guy Car Reviews, a 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat going up for sale today here at Copart. And we'll get back to this in a quick sec. So as you guys know, Tall Guy Car Reviews, he actually crashed his 2016 Hellcat when he came to LA, and it was just all bad, man. So we'll just check it out really quick. Yeah, he literally crashed the car on his second day in LA, guys, and we'll check this out really quick.
All right, G Squad. Unfortunately, we're here with a video that not be one make, man. You know, but we got some people that just can't drive, man. And boom. There's my Hellcat.
You guys see there, man, the Hellcat is whooped, man.
Right here. You're supposed to yield the traffic, charge the blow through. It's inside of his car right here. And that's what you see right here.
Okay, you guys seen that he crashed his Hellcat literally 2 days after bringing it to LA. Then he took it to RDBLA to potentially get the car fixed. But you know, RDBLA, they only really work on like superior type cars. Like they claim they work on like every type car there, but you know, they only work on, or really work on like really superior high-end cars. So yeah, so if you guys see here, you guys see behind that bumper, it's really not bad at all compared to some of the cars that's on Copart. I don't know why RDVLA chose to total the car out, but you know, some things just work out in better situations if you do certain stuff certain ways, you know. So I'm sure Tall Guy Reviews isn't tripping on that. But you guys see, it's really not bad at all. Let's take a look at the car, guys. It's a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, 36,000 miles. It's worth about 50 grand. Man, let's get to some HD photos. Let's get to some HD, okay? See, now you can see in the first photo, it doesn't look too bad off back. It actually looks fairly pretty decent. And you guys see right here, he actually he had the HellKeazy on the tires here, but he switched these actually with his brother. You know, now Jeremy's got some pretty cool wheels, and you know, he traded up, so that's cool there. Now, if you guys see this picture here with the exhaust hanging, Tall Guy's actually had the Borla Attack exhaust on his Hellcat. He actually switched those exhaust and the headers along with the cold air intake with his brother, who has the four-door Hellcat, the Charger, as well. So that's why you see all the pipes and stuff kind of like hanging down, is because they just probably just bolted it up and just threw it on there. Really didn't take the time to put it back neat because it was going to the insurance auction. But I mean, if you guys take a look at the inside here, man, it does look really good. It only had 36,000 miles. From what we can see, it's nothing, no airbags in the car that went off. I don't even know if the steering wheel airbag went off. But you guys just see that even the radiator support here looks really good and really straight. It really doesn't look like too much damage. I'm sure RDBLA literally just marked up the repair cost to total it out. But you know, it is what it is. But let's just see how much this thing is going to go for. Guys, it's a pure sale, and they only at $26,750 right now. Wow. Wow, his Hellcat just sold for, well, it's about to sell for Wow. Tall Guy Car Reviews Hellcat just sold for $26,750. Wow, guys. This thing just sold for $26,750. Tall Guy Car Reviews. Do you guys think he should have bought the car back and freaking went crazy on it? I think he probably could have bought it back and went stupid crazy on it. Probably doubled up the views on it. But I mean, it's a sick car all around. You know, I'm sure he's not even worried about it no more. He has a freaking new 2019 Red Eye, which is freaking sick. The camo on it is just amazing, guys. It's really sick. And he has the nice 2019 Ram, the Ram Rebel, both white, just looking sick. And then you got the McLaren, of course. It's like you got the icing on the cake, all because of what happened, you know. So I mean, you know, stay blessed, man. You know, you never know what could happen. You know, he just took a big leap of faith on this one. You know, unfortunately, you know, the time that they spent together came to a loss. He came to LA, second day here, crashed it. Now look at him. Couple months later, freaking booming, 3 cars up, at the top of the top of the moop, man. I'm really proud of Tall Guy Car Reviews, man, and Mr. Organic. Both of them two just been killing it on the YouTube game, man. Big G Squad here. Shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews, man. You really doing it, man. You really motivating people like myself. You feel me, to keep going and putting out content every day. Any type of content we can, you know, just keep going, keep something flowing here. So, man, I appreciate you. As always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber, don't hesitate to share my video and let me get on your community post. I definitely appreciate it. But yeah, guys, Tall Guy Car Reviews, his first Hellcat 2016 sold for $26,750 today, and I'm sure the owner is gonna love it. Like I said, it's a few little things in the pictures that look kind of crazy, but if you guys watch the channel, you guys already know that this car, it's really nothing wrong with this car. You can fix this car for really cheap and get it back on the road in no time. So we'll have to stay tuned and see if anybody bought this car on YouTube and is gonna put it on the tube and see if we can get a rebuild or something here, man. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.